you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my house is a disaster. If you've been watching my last few vlogs, then you know we've been doing a ton of house improvements and projects, and so the rest of the house has kind of been neglected, especially this bedroom of mine. So I've got a lot to do today to get caught up and get things cleaned, and it's just the start of the new year and I just don't like starting with a dirty house. So I have got a lot of work to do. Here is my list, and let's get started in the bathroom. I'm going to get these dirty clothes out, and I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Lemon Verbena glass cleaner, the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint multi-surface, and then this multi-surface scrub by Mrs. Meyer's also. So I'm just going to get to work on my vanity, wiping everything down. So I'm actually going to swap out my soap and my lotion that I keep next to my bathroom sink with my new Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle scent. I still had peppermint out from Christmas, and I'm actually partnering with Grove Collaborative today, so I want to share the awesome deal that they have for you guys. If you're a new customer, you're going to get this little set right here for free if you spend $20. If you click the new customer link in the description box, you're going to get a Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, Mrs. Meyer's hand lotion, Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and then 2 of these walnut scrubbers along with that white little caddy thing. I love it. I use it for many different things. I have a couple of them, but I want to tell you a couple things about Grove Collaborative because you guys hear me talk about them all the time. So what Grove Collaborative is a scheduled delivery service, and they provide eco-friendly and non-toxic products for you. So not just cleaning supplies, but I'm talking diapers and wipes, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrushes, razors. I have tried pretty much every single item from the Grove Collaborative site, and I have not found anything that I don't like. That's crazy. But I love that I can push back the date anytime I want to on when I'm going to get my delivery, and if I need something sooner, then I can change the date to any date that you want to, which is awesome. And it makes it nice so you don't have to make those Target runs all the time, and then you end up spending way more than you needed to just to go get some cleaning supplies. You girls know what I mean. So anyway, be sure to check out the new customer link down in the description box. You guys won't be disappointed with Grove Collaborative. I have been so happy with them since the very first time I used them, and I'm so glad that I partnered with them so I could bring you this awesome set to get you guys some free stuff. So now I'm done vacuuming. I'm going to get into the kitchen and get all of our last little things put away from doing our projects. All of these paintbrushes and spackling knives and ladders and everything needs to be picked up, wiped down, and put away. Just the last few things from doing all of our projects over the weekend. And I'm going to get the dishes done and get everything wiped down. So now you guys are kind of getting a first good look at my kitchen with good lighting since we've done our projects. We refinished that little room to the left. It's like supposed to be a breakfast nook, but we turned it into a walk-in pantry. And then I did a faux brick paint on the wall over there to the left. I have videos on both of those. The last 2 videos before this one are showing us doing those, so that's exciting. But now I'm really excited to start working on refinishing my cabinets and my countertops and all of that. We are going to be DIYing everything, and of course, you know, I will be vlogging. So I'm wiping everything down with that Mrs. Meyer's peppermint spray. I have so many different Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. I love that they're made with essential oils and they're not like harsh on your skin or anything, and they smell really good, which is super motivational for me. Like when I have really good smelling cleaning products, it just makes me like want to clean because my house smells so good. And I have a variety of different ones because I like to switch it up all the time. I like using different things every time I clean. So typically I would pull out my spin mop and like actually mop the floor really good, but I had some girlfriends coming over this day and I had to get done quickly before they got over, and I was also filming this cleaning video because I had so much cleaning to do. So this particular day I just pulled out the good old Swiffer. I hardly ever use it, but the floor wasn't that dirty because I spot cleaned it the other day after we were done with our project. So I just did a quick little Swiffer job. So you can see I have a ton of like coats and shirts hanging on that chair right there because I folded laundry on the dining room table the day before this. And so those were all of Donnie's things that needed to be hung up. So I'm just going to wipe down my kitchen table, dining room table, whatever you want to call it. I don't know why I called it a kitchen table, but I'm using my handy dandy orange glow. This is like the only thing that keeps my old antique wood table alive. I swear I need to reseal it, but with little kids, it's hard, and I don't want to take this whole table down to the garage. So one day, maybe when they go with their grandparents for the weekend or something, I will have the time to refinish the top of it. So by this point, it was like almost the time that my girlfriend said they were going to be there. So I'm just picking up the living room really quickly, getting everything looking nice. It's always a mess in the morning after I take the kids to school. They've got their blankets and everything from lounging around in the morning before school, so I'm just kind of tidying up super quickly. And then after they left, you will notice I had an outfit change because I changed my clothes before they came over, but after they left I got back to work. Berkeley was up from her nap, obviously. She's running around following me. She loves the vacuum and she likes to vacuum, so here in a little bit you will see her trying to vacuum on her own after I disconnected like the power part from the top. She's so funny. But I'm just going to vacuum all the floors. That rug was so dirty. There's so many crumbs all over it. And if I don't vacuum it every day, it looks disgusting. And I hadn't vacuumed it in a couple of days. So definitely needed some work from the handy dandy vacuum. But I'm just going to get all of this entire big room vacuumed up. Also, that little backpack that you see Berkeley wearing, she's obsessed with it. It was sent to me by a company, and I'm going to have them featured in a video pretty soon because the boys got some that look like dinosaurs. They're so cute, but she loves it. It's a little mermaid backpack, and it looks so cute on her. But now I'm just going to wipe down some of my dusty furniture with this Method wood polish. I have the daily wood cleaner also, which I like to use pretty often, but these wood tables just needed a good little shine, so I decided to use the polish on this particular day. And Berkeley really loves to help mommy clean, so she will get a rag and another spray bottle, and I just make sure that the nozzle on the top is turned to off, and she pretends to clean with me. It's so cute. Okay, now into my disastrous bedroom. You guys, this room has been neglected for like 2 weeks at this point because I had surgery and Donnie was trying to keep up with the rest of the house as good as he could on his own while I wasn't able to do much. And so our bedroom was just completely neglected. So I have tons of laundry to go through and put away. I need to make the bed and just pick up all of the surfaces and hang everything up and everything. So that is what we're going to do in here.
I'm walking down the street just like I own it. I'm rolling to the beat just like I wrote it. Watching the sun go down is disappearing. 'Cause in this part of town it's pretty clear that I can feel the city breathe. The boulevard is hot like me. Thank God it's only Friday night. You bring my Saturdays to life. Come Sunday, will you be my wife? You make me go from Puerto Rico. Come on Monday, don't be such a. I hear a lovely sound, it's all around me. I see the sky above me, it's so lovely. One girl, a half a dozen cities buzzing. A scented summer breeze comes over me, and I can hear the city roar. And if you want, there's always more. Thank God it's only Friday night. You bring my Saturdays to life. Come Sunday, will you be my wife? You make me go from Puerto Rico.
Alright, now I'm going to get some laundry swapped around and get this laundry room vacuumed up. Since we did our projects and we made that walk-in pantry, that's where Cash's kennel used to be, and now he sleeps in the laundry room. So as you can imagine, black lab, yeah, lots of dog hair in this room. So I'm going to be having to vacuum it more often. But I did just show you guys with the laundry detergent and stuff that I was using, and it went kind of quickly. So I was using the Method Mango laundry soap, and then just some fabric softener from Walmart, the Suavitel brand.
You bring my Saturdays to life. Come Sunday, will you be my wife? From Puerto Rico. Come on Monday, don't be such a.
So I thought it was pretty funny. I was doing a collab video with Grove Collaborative today, and I got a delivery from them while I was filming this video. So in this order that I did, I got some conditioner. I love the Alba brand, and then this coconut body lotion is amazing, and then diapers for Berkeley. I get her the 7th generation diapers from Grove, and we love them. I also use the wipes from them. Okay, so now we are headed upstairs to the man cave. This is the boys' room, and the entire upstairs is theirs. So they have their room, and then a hallway, and then the playroom. And Daddy goes up there to put them to bed every night, but you know when Mom goes up there, it's time to clean. So I've got all the kids up here helping me pick up and get all the dirty clothes, and they do tons of art projects on their little desk up here, so there's always little scraps of paper and stuff that need to be picked up. So I'm just making their beds, and they are helping me pick up. We're going to get some clothes hung up, and they are going to load up the laundry basket so we can take all their dirty clothes downstairs as well. I'm wearing you out. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching me and my kiddos clean. And don't forget to check out the new customer link for Grove Collaborative in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You know there's emotion between the storm.